Greetings and salutations, everyone. My name is AJ. If you don't know me, I'm the social media manager here at the InvArch network, and I'm excited. I am very happy to bring to you, this tutorial video on how to successfully participate in the It's Grow Time community sale event. This community sale event is a NFT sale event. For every pass purchased, you will receive 2,000 InvArch tokens. And at the time of recording, this is the countdown until the start of the community sale event. And to be exact, the community phase of the community sale event will start on February 13th at 4 p.m. UTC. Following that is the ecosystem phase starting on February 14th, 4 p.m. UTC. And then after is the public phase, which starts on February 16th at 4 p.m. UTC. And then the event ends on February 20th at 4 p.m. UTC. Now, if you want to get the full scoop, the entire details of the community sale event, you can head over to this website here, invarch.network/grow. You can see all on this page, all the information that you will need to know. Now, with the review out of the way, let's get into how to successfully participate in the It's Grow Time community sale event. Starting off, you will need a Polkadot compatible wallet to participate in the event. And in this demonstration, and of course, we do mainly recommend that you use Talisman Wallet. All you have to do is go to talisman.xyz, click on download wallet, add to Chrome. If you don't have a wallet, you can create a new one. Or if you already do have a wallet, if you have the recovery phrase or the JSON file or even a ledger, then you can go ahead and do that. The next step is going to the official site, and that is grow.invarch.network. And by accessing this site, you are accessing the actual dApp for this community sale event. So once you're on the page, you just have to connect your account, my Polkadot account, connect, select my wallet. Now in this scenario, for individuals that will be shown this page that says you are not whitelisted for this round, this means that you are whitelisted for a particular round, not the current round. Moving forward, if you are whitelisted and it is time for you to participate, we can get started. When you go to grow.invarch.network, you'll have to connect your account and ensure that you enable your Talisman wallet. There you go. And so, like I said, when it is your time to participate, you will be permitted into the site. And you can see here, this is the dApp or user interface for the community sale event. And you have your dashboard here. So right here, you'll have the total NFTs that you have purchased. Over here is the number of NFTs that remain in terms of your limit and your balance of DOT. And then down below here, it'll indicate which round is running. So currently right now, for demonstration's sake, the community round is running. And if you want to click to read more info on that, then it will lead you back to the invarch.network/grow page. And down here, so for this community round NFT, the golden astronaut, right here will show the total amount of NFTs for this particular one and the remaining amount. So let's say we're halfway through the community round and there will be, let's say, 800 left or 700 left. There will be a number indicating the remaining amount of this NFT here. It will show how many of them you do own, if you have purchased one or purchased a few. So one thing that I do want to go into detail in, the amount of DOT here that you see will be equivalent to the price of each NFT that we've specified in the initial announcement article here. So for the community round or phase NFT, the price of the NFT will be $50. For the NFT in the ecosystem round, it will be $55. And for the public round, the price of the NFT will be $60. And as I mentioned, the final price in DOT will be determined on the page sale during the event. So this amount or quantity of DOT will be adjusted so that it does maintain its equivalence to the specified price that we've indicated in the initial announcement article. With that, continuing on with the guide. So let's say I want to buy 5 NFTs. The button down here will update and will show the total amount of DOT that you will need. And so I'm not going to click on the button because obviously I don't have a balance here, but if I did, then you would click on that, you would approve the transaction, and you will have successfully purchased your InvArch Access Pass NFT or NFTs if you buy more than one. If you have any comments, any questions, any further inquiries, please head over to the InvArch Network Discord server. Scroll down over here and you'll find the questions channel, and you can drop a question and we'll be happy to answer. And that wraps up this full video tutorial on how to fully participate in the It's Grow Time community sale event. And on a final, deeper note, on the behalf of the InvArch team, its founders, and also personally from myself, from the beginnings of the InvArch network, of its community, all the way till now, for everyone that's been contributing to the network, that's been supporting us throughout, through our community initiatives, through various major events, all the way down to our community calls and AMAs and interview sessions and Twitter spaces and so much more. We truly would not be here without all of you, and we're just so happy and so grateful and so excited that you're still here with us. As I always say, it's only up from here. Everyone, it's grow time.